AWeber Email Marketing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. All relevant links and resources are included in the video description below. AWeber is a veteran in the email marketing space, designed primarily for small businesses, entrepreneurs and content creators who want a reliable, easy-to-use platform to engage and grow their audience. It offers a full suite of features including a drag-and-drop email builder, pre-designed templates, automation workflows, tagging, list segmentation, and autoresponders. AWeber also supports sign-up forms, landing pages, and push notifications, making it more than just a basic email tool. One standout feature is the Smart Designer, which automatically creates branded email templates based on your website. The platform integrates with popular tools like WordPress, Shopify, PayPal, and Facebook, allowing seamless connection to your existing marketing stack. AWeber's automation tools are beginner-friendly with intuitive triggers and actions, perfect for welcome sequences, product launches, or re-engagement campaigns. It also includes A/B testing, dynamic content, campaign analytics, and industry-leading deliverability rates, helping ensure your emails reach inboxes consistently. Another advantage is the built-in Canva integration, allowing users to design visuals directly within the platform. AWeber offers a free plan for up to 500 subscribers, which includes basic automation and key tools, while paid plans unlock more advanced features. One of its main strengths is its customer support. Users consistently praise the availability and helpfulness of AWeber's live support via chat, email, and phone. It's a solid platform for those who need something dependable, simple to learn, and rich in core email marketing capabilities. However, it's not without drawbacks. Compared to more modern platforms like ConvertKit or MailerLite, AWeber's UI can feel a bit dated, and its automation is functional but lacks the depth and flexibility found in more advanced tools. Also, while segmentation exists, it's not as granular or behavior-driven as in tools like ActiveCampaign or Klaviyo. Still, if you're looking for a trustworthy, no-fuss email marketing solution with all the essentials and strong customer support, AWeber delivers a consistent and effective experience that suits many small businesses and creators perfectly.